Yes guys, welcome back to another video, and it is your boy Chef Andre Davy. And today guys, I'll be making the ramen noodle for you guys, okay? Normally it's just 3 minutes, then you have the seasoning packet and it's ready. But I won't be doing it that way, okay guys? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I prepare this amazing ramen noodle soup. So my first step is to put the seasoning packet in the water, okay guys? This one, alright. Nice. Just want to go ahead and give this a mix, okay guys? Okay, amazing. Then from there, I'm gonna go in with my ramen noodle. What you want to do guys, you want to go ahead and stew your ramen noodle occasionally, okay guys? And while my noodle cook guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and break 2 eggs, okay? Okay guys, what you want to do, you want to go ahead and add 1 egg on each side. And I'm just gonna go ahead and allow my eggs to cook. Okay guys, so this I'm gonna go ahead and add some frozen mixed vegetable. And some spicy sausage, okay guys? Then to that guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and add some baby bok choy leaf. And I'll be putting a little bit of soy sauce. And here we go guys, our ramen noodle soup is ready. So I'm just gonna go ahead and plate it for you guys. I'm just gonna turn off the stove. So yes guys, to this amazing soup, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and add some nigiri sheet and some sesame seed. Okay guys, some toasted sesame seed. And right here I have some spring onion. Let's go ahead and garnish this beautiful soup. Here we go guys. This is looking amazing, trust me. And this is the way I make my ramen noodle soup. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching another video, and I will catch you in another one pretty soon. Goodbye.